Hello everyone, myself Ashish Desai, Assistant Professor, Science of Technology, College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss on the topic of industrial automation. So while defining the industrial automation, we are using the different control systems such as computers, robots and information technology to manage the industrial process with a minimal human intervention. So that is called as industrial automation. So in that importance, we are enhancing the efficiency and reduction in the human error. Also, we are improving the safety purpose. So these are the main motto of the industrial automation. So there are different key components are available with us, that is sensors, controllers, actuators, and different software systems. So they are the key points for the industrial automation. So while discussing the industrial automation, we are having the different type of automation is available. So first is fixed automation, which is designed for the high volume production. So example is assembly lines. So the component is same and which is production will be maximum, that is called as mass production we can achieve with a mix the fixed automation. In case of programmable automation, that can be allows reprogramming for different tasks. So we can give the different task and we can change in a manufacturing level. So that is about example is CNC machine. The next is about flexible automation. Is it easily adapted to different products? And we are using the example is nothing but robotic arm. So it is useful for any picking the different products because whenever the different sizes are there, so you can easily pick. That is about flexible automation. So you can every time it can be flexible for the automations. The next is about integrated automation. So it is fully automated with without any human efforts. So we are thinking with like is a integrated automation. So mainly three industrial automations are there. Main is programmable automation, and second is flexible automation, and third one is fixed automation. So fixed automation is we are creating the more parts and which is having the low product variety, or can say uh, product variety is less in this fixed automation. But in case of flexible automation, it should be medium. Medium should be product volume and medium in the product variety. But in case of programmable automations, we are having the low product volume and highest ever the product variety. So this is about the type of industrial automations, so which is divided in these three parts. So now we are going to discuss the components of industrial automation. So PLC is the main component or main part of the system because different machines we can control by the PLCs. So every machines is having PLC, and that can be operate in one PC or one system, that is called as SCADA. So that is SCADA means supervisory control and data acquisitions, where we can monitor the data and collect. After collecting the data, we can monitor and then we can take the decisions over there. That is on the basis of real-time monitoring and control. The next is we are the networking of sensors and actuators. We can collect the data and execute the actions over there. So that is about the importance of sensor and actuators. Now nextly we will discuss about the human machine interface. So here it is provided for user control, which is the operator can be easily controlled, and the that can be possibility we can do the change, so we can do with the HMI in it. The next is about industrial network. So communication between the machines is nothing but IoT, or you can say industrial IoT, that is IIoT. So these are the components which is having for the industrial automation. So first, so these are the main area we are having the categorized in the industrial automations. Now the robotics in industrial automation. So types of robots, we know about the articulated robot, SCARA robot, Cartesian robot, collaborative robots. So these are kind of different configuration wise we are dividing the types of robots. Also we are having know about the application which is useful in a industrial automation, that is robots in assembly, robots in material handling, welding and quality inspection. So this is the different applications we are doing with the robotics. So now we are going to discuss with AI and machine learning. So whenever the changing the adaptability, so different function of machines is not doing over there, so we can take the easily decision by making of AI and machine learning. So this is enhancing the adaptability. Now nextly we are discussing the benefits of industrial automation. So what are the advantage? Because increasing the speed and efficiency, then reduce the operational cost and human error. So that is second benefit of the system. Third is about enhance the workplace or workplace safety. So we are improvising the automation level. That's why the less human effort is required. That is why workplace will become safety. Then fourth one is consistent with quality and reliability. So every time the work will be same, and that can be adopted by the system. So that is why the less risk and maximum quality and reliability is there. The next is about real-time monitoring and data analysis, which is easily possible for the industry automation. So this is kind of actions we are doing with the industrial way. So this is way of the benefits we are having. The next is about industrial IoT. We can say that is about IIoT and smart factories. So it is IoT means what? Interconnecting the machines for the smart decision making. So different machines we interconnect with this and then making the decisions over there. This concept we are nowadays we are doing with this. The next about smart manufacturing. So AI powered or predictive maintenance and self optimization can possibly with through the in the case of smart manufacturing. Then next is about cloud computing is important tool for the IoT, that is about data storage and remote monitoring, because every time the collection of data is more and more, so that's why we can operate in the collectively, that is called cloud computing, and the monitoring will be possible. The next is about digital twin technology. So here virtually simulation of production process will be there, and that can be imagined, and after that we can go for the process. So this is also important technology that is in the digital twin technology. So now we are going to discuss the next era of the application of industrially. One is the manufacturing section. So here automated production lines, automotive industry, that is for robotics in car assembly or painting. So likewise we can employ the in automation levels. The pharmaceutical, then precision dosing and packaging is possible. Then food and beverage, so it is automated sorting and packaging is also possible. The next is about energy sector. So smart grid and power distribution is there. So that time we can use the that automation levels so through PLC, and we can say with the SCADA system. So different challenges also associated with the industrial automation. So first is high initial cost. Second is need for the skilled workforce. Third one is the cyber security threat. Fourth one is integration with legacy system, and fifth one is maintenance and upgrades. So these are the challenges which is are facing in the industrial automation, because every time there are some challenges, because it is not easy to adapt their conditions and adapt their skilled workers. So that's why we are requiring this type of requirement for the system. So nowadays we are this system, we are this encounter of the challenges by using this AI driven automation, that is we can say that is about smart and adaptive robot system we can employ over there for the conditionizing the different sector sections. Then next about the 5G connectivity. So faster data transmission is possible by the 5G connectivity, and then data we can transmit and then we can take the decisions over there. The next is about edge computing. So it is reduce the latency in automation process. The next is about sustainable manufacturing. So energy efficient and eco-friendly solutions are available with sustainable manufacturing. Then autonomous supply chain. So self managed logistics and warehousing is possible. So to this autonomously can be behave. So that is about future trends in industrial automations. So various technology we are using in industrial automation, and then we can reduce the risk as well as human intervention. So it is helpful for the a risk-free environment. So this is about the era of the automation. So now we are going to discuss the that conclusion remark. So it is industrial automation is revolutioning area or industries, and that can be integrated with the AI, IoT, and that tribal systems. So that is about enhancing the productivity and efficiency. So future advancement will also leading to this the intelligent and self-optimized systems can develop over there. So these kind of actions we are in the industrial automations. So mostly we are preferring for the PLC. So PLC should be maintaining the sequence of operations, and then we can operate the conditions, and then we can go for the actuation purpose. So we require SCADA also, because every time we not enter for the each every and machine, so we can monitor by the SCADA system from one single point. So there are different areas we are having with the industrial automations. So this is the conclusion remark of the industrial automation. Thank you.